The target sound is as in ring. We don't say ring, it's ring, one sound. Junk. This sound can be spelled with 2 letters, as in ring, or 1 letter, as in junk. It's one sound. Here's the word sang. I'll break it down for you. You can see how it's just one sound. S, a, sang, one sound. When you say this sound, it actually, the sound comes through your nose. The back of your tongue is up, and you'll feel a vibration, a little, it like tickles your nose when you say it. Practice saying it in front of the mirror. A lot of people confuse the sound with the sound as in net. And now I'm going to say the as in net. Listen to it inside of words. Sing, man. Running, again. The spelled, the sound can be spelled 3 ways. 3, maybe 4, but there are actually 2 common ways that you'll see it. Song, drink. Here are some words that contain the sound. Look and see how each is spelled as I read the word. Talking, long, wing, skunk, running, sing, driving, string, anxious, finger, trunk. I'm going to sound out the word jungle sound by sound. Each dot or dash represents one sound. J, g, jungle. Do you see that the and the g are next to each other and they each make one sound? So that can be kind of confusing, can it? I'm going to give you another word. Hunger. Listen as I do this sound by sound. G, hunger. Do you see that the is just spelled with 1 letter because we still hear the g for that letter G? Okay, and let's do the word string. S, t, r, I. String. Now it's spelled with 2 letters. It's still just one sound though. Remember, that's what you have to never forget. Something that confuses some students and adults as well is that when we say the I right before the it kind of changes its sound a little. It's not really like an I. String. It's just something to be aware of. Now, the most common place you are going to encounter the sound is in a suffix. I, ing. This suffix means it's happening right here, right now. Smiling. Running. Now I want you to practice saying some words in the mirror so you can see what your mouth looks like. Have fun.